Hi everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got an exciting topic for you: how to sell online courses and turn your expertise into a thriving online business. Let's dive in. The first step to selling online courses is choosing the right niche. What are you passionate about? What knowledge can you share that others would find valuable? Pick a niche that aligns with your expertise and has a demand in the market. Before creating your course, validate your idea. Conduct surveys, analyze market trends, and make sure there's a demand for the knowledge you're planning to share. This step ensures you're creating a course people are eager to buy. Now, let's talk about content creation. Your course content should be high quality and engaging. Use professional tools, break down complex topics into digestible modules, and add value. Remember, happy students become loyal customers. Choosing the right platform is crucial. Look for one that suits your course format, offers marketing tools, and provides a good user experience. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, or Kajabi are popular choices. Now, let's get to the heart of selling: marketing. Leverage social media, create compelling email campaigns, and collaborate with influencers. Build anticipation for your course before the launch and keep the momentum going. Everyone loves a good deal. Offer limited-time discounts or exclusive bonuses for early buyers. This creates urgency and encourages potential customers to take action. And there you have it, a quick guide on how to sell online courses. Remember to continuously engage with your audience, gather feedback, and improve your courses over time. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and leave your questions in the comments. Happy teaching and selling! Until next time, stay awesome!